Today I'm going to show you how we run a multilingual DTP project for you as a language service provider. So our starting point is to create a new campaign. I'm going to call this How We Do Multilingual DTP. We're going to set the brand. I've created that campaign. I'm now going to upload my artwork. I'm going to upload it as a sentence. I'm going to put it in as an education. This again helps with the translation memory, and I'm going to select InDesign. So I'm just going to ingest this InDesign file. What our system's doing is updating the system. It's building a new InDesign version from the upload, and it's basically deconstructing all of the elements, including the text, as a first pass file preparation for translation. So the idea behind our system is we upload the InDesign file, we download either the XLIF, the IDML, docx, multilingual table, and then send that to you. You translate those files, you send them back, and then on ingestion of those files, it automatically builds the target language versions of the InDesign file. This is a 24-page document, and I can see exactly what I've got to translate. It gives me all the mechanicals. So we know that in this instance, your target language is French. We can set this up for multiple languages. We just basically build a task preset. So I'm going to go into French. I'm going to use Richard. I'm going to set the deadline of Monday. I'm also going to use Richard as the proofreader. I'm going to set the deadline for Wednesday, and I'm going to give it a sign-off date of the 30th. So what the system's now doing is it's building another target InDesign file for French. It's creating a JPEG preview, a PDF, a docx table, an XLIF, and an IDML. So all of those files are available for us to then download and send to you automatically. Once it's finished, we will have a file that we can download from, and we can send that to any of you based on this service. We've got a French file. You can see that we're already at 90%, and that's because the translation memory has kicked in, and therefore the file is already partially translated. When I look at the French file, we've got overflow. It's telling us straight away that this French file needs artwork. And if I just go to the side preview, the whole job is now already in French. This is really the speed of our production, and if I show you by clicking on the right hand side here, you can see we're at 90%. What it will do is it will tell me where we are missing translation. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching, and obviously if you have any questions, please feel free to call me.